Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a habit team template for your account and teams on Reclaim.ai. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your account on Reclaim.ai, navigate to the habits section to the left. Here switch to templates, or alternately click into that drop down menu next to new habit and select new team template. Here guys, you may create a template for a team habit, give it a name, set a priority here, assign a color, a category. You may add notes to it and schedule it below. For example, set it on repeat, for example, on a weekly basis, add ideal days, set a duration, and also set or assign a calendar here. Make it go public or keep it on private. And that's it. Click into this button to save it as a template for your team, the habit, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.